Hello, so we are going to run through the tutorial for installation of the iSoftStone dictation recording software and how to use both the online and offline modes. So first of all, you will have your iss.dictation.exe file to install the application. What you need to do is double click on that to start the installation process. You'll now see this window. You simply need to press next. And then typical install. The product install path will generally select your primary drive on your computer, so you can leave that as it is, and then press typical, and down here press install. If the user account control on your computer asks you about installing software from an unknown source or something similar, you can just press accept or OK. As this software is quite simple, there's no malicious data or software in there. And once you're done, you press finish, and then you will have this ISS dictation shortcut available on your desktop. If it's not there, you can find the software in your recently added list in your start menu. And then once you've found it, you can press open or double click it, and inside here you have the login screen. So for online mode, you will be given an account, username and password. These are all one thing, so you'll need to put in your account. Generally it will be first name, last name, or something similar to that. But for all three fields here, you can put the same thing in, dictation test or whatever your account is given to you. In all three fields. Then you can leave the portal as production and press login. Once you've logged in, you will see up here your recorder ID. That should be the account that you've just entered. And then down here you'll see your task name and project is Dictation EN Australia. Once you've confirmed that everything's okay, you can press start and the software window will open. Up the top here, you've got your user ID again, should be the account. And in this window at the top here, you can see each recording that you're required to complete. The recordings highlighted in blue are already completed. The first time you open the software, all of them will be black. There will be no completed ones, but this is a test file, so these are already finished. So what you will do then is you will highlight the recording you'd like to complete, and down here at the bottom you have the record button. So when you're ready, you can press record. What is your favorite time of year and why? And then you would give your answer, usually about 3 sentences, about 30 seconds. And once the recording's finished or the participant has stopped speaking, you can press stop. And then you can see in this window here in the middle that the sound signature from the recording will be displayed. That's how you know that sound has come through, but you can also press play to play back the recording to make sure that everything's okay. If something's gone wrong and you're unhappy with the recording, you can press record again while that particular recording is highlighted at the top here, and it will overwrite the previous one. And you will work your way down the list from the first one down to the last one. Once all of them are completed, at the top here you'll see 10 out of 10 finished, and press submit. At the moment it won't let me submit because I haven't finished all the records, but once you have, you will receive a box that asks you for a comment and to press confirm. There's no need to comment in there, you can simply press confirm and then your recording is complete. You can close the program. So now I will show you how to record in offline mode. In general, online mode will be used for the vast majority of recordings because you will have an internet connection. If there are circumstances where you don't have an internet connection, you will receive a file containing the utterances rather than logging into the tool in online mode, and I will show you how to do that. So open up your software again, and there's a little box down here that says offline mode. you can tick that and press login. There's no need to enter account, password or username. And this window here will appear the same one as the online mode, except there is nothing in the window. So what you'll need to do is load the scripts manually into the software. To do that, you will click on File in the top left and Open. Then you will locate your script given to you previously. Once you've found it, you can click Open, and then the scripts will load on the page just as in the online mode. So from here, recording is the same as in the online mode. You just need to press record and stop for each one and work your way down the list. As you can see here, there are more than 10 recordings required. Depending on the age of the participant, there will be more or less recordings they need to complete. And once you've worked your way through the whole list, it will say 43 out of 43 finished, or however many it is. And as you'll notice down here, there is no submit button. So what you'll need to do now is export your file. So when it's done, click on File again and Export. Then you have a file name. Generally you'd like to name it after the account. So first name, last name, or whatever it may be. And then choose your directory. Usually the desktop is the most convenient, and press Save. And then you will see this box here, Export Completed. And once that's done, you can close the software and you'll find on your desktop a zip file containing the audio files for that recording. And that is it. So this is the end of the tutorial, and best of luck with your recordings.